Hello friends, it's Kyra. Today I'm going to open up this box which contains, hopefully, a miniature chainsaw and some stuff that it comes with in a little kit. I'm going to open it, I'm going to chop some stuff with it, and I'm going to do a review for it. Let's get started. I'm going to open this with a knife. Where's the knife? Why? Okay. Let's see what kind of cool stuff is in this box, and then let's chop. Oh my gosh, it's pink. I wasn't expecting it to be pink. I thought it was gonna be green or brown or black or something, but it's pink. That's even better. This is by Saker. It's 6 inches and it should, I believe, come with 2 batteries. I'm gonna have so many pink tools one day. I should make my own line of pink tools. Yeah. Let's open this. I'll let you guys see first. I'm jealous. What is in this box? Oh my gosh, everything is pink. Okay, so we've got gloves with some little grip on them. Let's see how they fit. I have long, skinny hands, but they're on the larger side because I'm somewhat tall. They fit me perfect, so if you have long, skinny hands, it's great. These do, like I said, they come in other colors like black and green. I'm not sure exactly. I'll look it up so I know for sure. We've got instruction manuals, all the precautions. So this teeny little bottle is oil. We have a tiny screwdriver. We have a tool. Oh wow, this came with 2 chains. I thought it said it only came with 2, but there's one on it already, so it technically came with 3 6-inch chains, which is awesome. Always a bonus because they will get dull very quickly, and at times, once in a while I hit the jaw horse, which you never see in my videos, but I do once in a while hit the jaw horse, and it pretty much destroys the chainsaw chain. So we've got the chainsaw, we've got 2 batteries in here, protective safety glasses. You guys know I'm probably not that great at wearing safety glasses, but these actually look like they're big enough that they could go over my prescription glasses. I'll have to try those out. And a charging cable. Okay, so now that we got all that stuff, let's take it out and look. Battery 1, battery 2. 2 batteries, always better than 1. This looks cool. This is like hefty. So we have a safety guard here. This is really, really pretty. I'm a fan of this little design here. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, I probably look like a total dork, which I always look like a total dork. Awesome. And they protect the sides of my eyes, which I don't get with these little glasses. So I will have a link to this below if you guys want to check it out. It'll be in the description and or in my bio. What I have noticed with these is they are extremely handy for doing outdoor work. Like if you have a branch that fell or something and you need to pop it apart. My parents were doing a project and had a whole bunch of wood pieces, like little 2x2s and stuff like that. They were all stuck together. These little chainsaws come in really handy if you just need to pop them apart, like I said, and load them up in a small vehicle. In fact, this is probably going to be kept in my car trunk because that's how handy I think these things are. Now that I have my safety goggles on, I'm ready to cut some stuff in the other room. All right, I'm here in my shop, so I'm going to use this little wrench to twist this open. This is where you would change your chain if this gets dull. So this is red when it's not charged, and it turns green when it is charged. It took about an hour, and now I have both batteries charged, and I'm gonna start with, I'm thinking a little bear. So let's get this all batteried up. All right, let's do it. So here's this little bear, actually really cute. I have to finish his base here and I still have to stain him, but as you can see, I got that much done before my stain gun decided to explode all over me. So I've got to go clean one out and or get a new one, and then we'll finish this bear. It's like a juggling act. All that's left for this little guy is Polly. Cute little guy. So I'm gonna make a little owl out of it with whatever remaining battery we have left. We'll see how much is left with this log. So this is about as far as I'll go with a chainsaw on these little guys. These are such an excellent tool to have in your tool arsenal. For something like this, if you are going to use it for that, which I'm not sure, like I said, I'm not sure if I recommend it, you gotta keep both your hands on it because it does like to bounce. It doesn't go fast enough to cut through the wood really quickly, so you have to go slow. You don't want to press too hard because it'll burn out the saw. So like I said, you can do something like this with it. Obviously, I just did 2 whole carvings. I haven't even killed the battery, which is awesome. That's way better than other little saws that I've tried. Usually the batteries die halfway through one carving and I have to use 2 batteries. So the battery quality of this one is excellent. So it turns out this saw is pretty cool. I spent a lot of time with it, made it nice and oily and sawdusty. As you can see, it is now part of the family in my shop. I'll probably be keeping this one in my trunk of my car. It's really easy, really handy to use. It comes with a lot of cool stuff for such a low price point. It's like 80 bucks to $100-ish. So if you guys want to check these out, check the link below. Don't forget to like this video if you like this type of content. I love doing tool reviews and I would love to do more, especially if you guys like them. And let me know what kind of tool you want me to review next. I like playing with cool power tools and any tool for that matter. I like playing with new stuff and learning new things, and I love to share with you guys as well. So if you guys want to see more stuff like this, let me know. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.